Rear facing with vehicle belt. Install. Preparing for installation. To begin, here are a few helpful steps to prepare your car seat for installation. The infant inserts come in 3 pieces. Always use the head and back pillow together. If your child is not an infant, then you can remove the infant positioning pillow. Please refer to the instruction manual to determine if the pillow is needed. The buckle can be used in only 2 slots. Choose the slot closest to your child. Refer to your instruction manual on how to adjust. Push down on the harness release button, then pull the harness forward to loosen, and provide slack in order to move the headrest and harness position to correctly fit your child. Please refer to your instruction manual to learn more about rear-facing child fit. Locate the recline handle and pull it forward to recline the car seat fully into position 3. You are now ready to start the installation process. Place the car seat rear-facing in the vehicle. Check your level to ground line and ensure that it is parallel to the ground. Start by pulling out the vehicle belt with a generous amount of slack. Hold the vehicle belt firmly together with one hand so the vehicle belt does not retract. Using your free hand, thread the vehicle belt into the rear-facing belt path opening. Pull it across the seat. Ensure that it is in front of the buckle as it comes through the other side. Pull the buckle out and buckle the vehicle belt. Do not twist the belt. Push down on the seat with one hand and pull up on the vehicle belt with the other hand to remove the slack. Hold the car seat at the rear-facing belt path with your weaker hand and push and pull from side to side. It should not move more than 1 inch. Recheck your level to ground line and ensure that it is parallel to the ground. Please refer to the instruction manual for more information.